So these are the nerf blasters that are discontinued from Hasbro's website. The Nerf Fire Strike Elite, Nerf Magnus, Nerf Night Finder, and still has a light on it. I tried to modify it, but then I somehow it totally see, I kind of destroyed it when I was trying to modify it back then. So this one doesn't work anymore. Two Nerf Mavericks and Nerf Apollo. Post your comments down below what you think of these blasters, and subscribe for more videos. Smash the like button, comment down below, turn on the notification bell icon to stay tuned, update on more videos I post on my YouTube channel. And just so I know, I'm at 558 subscribers. Now let's get this channel 100,000 subscribers and 4,000 likes. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Peace out.